and they call it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart, how it really feels, and why I love you so. And they call it puppy love, just because we're in all day. Tell them all is a fail to take away my only dream. I cry each night my tears for you. My tears are all in vain. I hope and I pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Oh, someone help me, help me, help me, please.
Oh, help me.
Is the answer up above? How can I tell them, oh, this is not a puppy love?
Oh, tell them all it isn't fair. Gusto Brian.
I cry each night my tears for you. My tears are all in vain. I hope and I pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Oh, someone help me, help me, help me, please. It's the answer up above. How can I tell them this is not a puppy love? This is not a puppy love.
Together again.
Song.
And my tears have stopped falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The love that I knew is living again. Oh yeah. And nothing else now. We're together again. together again. Iapalad mo tay ikame. You back in my arms. Now where you belong. The Lord that I knew is living again, and nothing else matters. We're together again. Stop loving you.
Huh?
So I made up my mind to live, yes, to live in memory of such a long sometime. For you, woman, it's very useless to say. So I'll just live my life in dreams of years of days. Those happy hours from what we once knew. The love that keep on makes me. But then again, they say the time it kinda heals a broken heart, but time has to still since we've been apart. Useless to say. So I'll just live my life in dreams of a year.